signed deals with Time Warner to bring HBO Go and Walt Disney to bring Watch ESPN to Apple TV, but this is the first time Apple might actually be bringing live television programming to Apple TV, something that consumers want. So this is really a major step forward for Apple if it happens.
So what does this mean potentially for Time Warner Cable?
Time Warner Cable is essentially giving up control of the user interface here to Apple. The CEO of Time Warner Cable has come out in the past and said that he doesn't care where the consumers are getting the content from and what it looks like, as long as they're getting it from Time Warner Cable. Apple is known for its aesthetics, and obviously Apple, with its Apple TV, is a little bit better looking user interface than what Time Warner and other cable companies have to offer right now. So as long as Time Warner Cable customers are getting their content from Time Warner Cable, they don't really care where it's coming from.
And what's the timing on this? Do we have any sense for it?
Sources close to the situation say that it could happen within the next few months. I would expect sometime around maybe fall 2013, maybe early 2014. Apple CEO Tim Cook has said in the past that Apple's working on some new products, software, and services. And that's where this foray comes into play, with the software and services. And I would expect that time frame to continue.
One last quick question. Is this some sort of compromise for Apple of sorts?
It is a little bit. Apple generally has not wanted to give up control in the past. They've held control. They did it with iTunes, and they really held the music industry to the ground. They've almost essentially brought the music industry and changed it on its head. That they were trying to do that with the cable industry. It doesn't seem like it's going to work. And it seems like Apple is trying to change and give up control to the television industry, and that's what it seems like it's happening right now.
Okay. Turn to another story that also involves Apple. It seems that Apple has hired the former CEO of Yves Saint Laurent to work on some special projects. What's going on there? Or what do we think is going on there?
Apple confirmed that the former CEO of Yves Saint Laurent was hired and will report directly to Tim Cook working on special projects.
Paul Deneuve, is it?
Yes, Paul Deneuve. We don't know exactly what they're going to be working on. The rumors speculate that it could be something related to the iWatch. Apple's expected to release a smartwatch later this year. The company's actually filed patents in several different countries over the past few days trying to get the iWatch name trademarked. So it could be something related to that. Deneuve has experience in high-end retail. Apple is a high-end hardware technology company, so something iWatch related or perhaps something else.
And the interest in Mr. Deneuve might be kind of getting that aesthetic edge that Apple's kind of known for, wouldn't you think?
Absolutely. Apple has been known for its aesthetics. It makes beautiful products that just simply work, as former CEO Steve Jobs put it. Deneuve has experience with that, having worked at Apple and several other high-end retailers, including Yves Saint Laurent and Ricci. So it could be a little bit of a parlay here.
Very interesting. I'd love to see what might come out of that relationship. Well, those are a couple of tech headlines. I'm Jeannie.